Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Cadillac XT5 Platinum featured in Red Passion Tintcoat with a maple sugar interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, a power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, no speakers down below, with the liftgate controls to the left. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar. We can hop inside. Just to the left here, we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side, you'll find the cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. And on the right is the volume and cluster controls. Here is the cluster. To the right here we have our infotainment screen. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, as well as SiriusXM. We have a phone to connect using Bluetooth, navigation, climate controls, and throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera and surround vision. Just below that we have the climate controls with heated and vented front seats, some extra storage, 2 cup holders in the middle, and the center console. Pop that open, 2 USBs at the back, wireless charging pad, and tons of storage space. Top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color match mirror caps, door handle for keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, making our way to the back. Of course, we have the Cadillac badging, the XT5 and all-wheel drive just to the left, and we can double click to pop it open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility, rear storage cover for extra privacy, not to mention hidden storage down below. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders in the middle of rear vents with your heated seats, some storage, and 2 USBs down below. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. Get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2017 Cadillac XT5 Platinum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.